Whatever. So it's February 25th here at Boardwalk Hall, last day here. The chest that we were working on Monday, which I uploaded the video about, great chest restoration, it's complete. And now you can hear the results. I got Nick Myers here, and organist extraordinaire, and he's going to demonstrate the stops that are on that chest. Now, when Nick is playing, you need to keep in mind, all you're hearing is a 16-foot double diapason, 3 8-foot principals, 2 4-foot octaves, and 1 2-foot 15th. That's it. You're hearing 6 ranks of pipes. That's all. And nothing's unified. Everything is straight in that division. So with that, I'm going to turn it over to Nick.
Howdy. Okay, so we have on that chest, first and foremost, the biggest of the set is the double diapason number 3, 16-foot. Of the 10 8-foot diapasons, we have number 7, number 8, and number 9. Number 7 one more time, 8, and number 9. Then we have 2 4-foot octaves. This is 4-foot octave number 4. And number 5. Finally, we have 15th, number 3, so 2-foot number 3. An ensemble sounding like this.
That is why I have Nick do the demonstrations rather than me, because he can play. So from Boardwalk Hall until the next time I'm up here, or somebody else is up here who wants to do videos in May, I guess. We'll see you next time. Bye.